Our family consisted of 9 children. Alvin was the oldest and a hero in Joseph's eyes, as was Hiram, our second oldest. They, in turn, saw something special in their younger brother. We all did.
God gives us power over temptation, but we are weak in the face of it. All of us have sinned and fall short of the glory of God. Therefore, we must repent and be baptized. It is the only path to his kingdom. Mr. Smith, a word, please. You seem to be a God-fearing man, but I don't see you with your family in my congregation.
Well, it seems that preaching nowadays teaches folks to fear God too much. Trust in him too little.
You're a difficult man, Mr. Smith.
I don't mean to be.
Just concerned for your salvation.
Alvin, have you ever wondered what we need to do to be saved?
You worry too much, little brother.
But I need to know.
Oh, you remember that seashell you found at Uncle Jesse's?
Yeah?
Well, some small creature made that shell, Joseph. Layer by layer until it finally outgrew it. Maybe God intends for us to outgrow ourselves, too. I can't believe he'd only want to save a few of us.